together, but things didn't get weird.
Is the point of this that I'm not in on it?
You make your own relationships. You seek out your own peer group, man. I found mine.
A barbecue feast in the palm of your hand. New Hickory Flat Melt sandwiches. Grab one with a real ice cream shake. Just half price after 8 p.m. This is how you Sonic.
There's more Snooki and JWoww on the way, and it starts right now. I'm just not thinking straight. I'm not being responsible about being pregnant, and I'm kind of pissed off at myself for it.
Uncle wants to go. I really wanted to stay, but it is her night. So I'll just make sure I go harder tomorrow.
Get out of here. Let's go. I'm actually very excited to see the dolphins because I swam with dolphins before and it's amazing. And, you know, it puts everyone in a good mood. And also because we're not drinking, so that I can, you know, be a part of something with the girls.
Welcome to Dolphin Discovery. Are you ready?
Yeah!
I'll never get how these dolphins are this trainable. Like, my dogs can even piss on a wee-wee, and yet dolphins can dance in the water.
I mean, I'm not even thinking about last night being a buzzkill because, you know, I'm having such a great time with the animals.
Ow.
And that's, you know, really the only thing that I want to do on this trip. Bye! Oh, wait! Bye!
Hi, can you set up a bottle of Absolute? Thank you.
Since when did you become fun?